I have all of my LEDs currently in right now. I made sure that all of my negative or short legs were on the right hand side. So all of my positives are along this side right here. And then you're going to flip it over and do a nice careful job of soldering all of those LEDs. Same thing when you're doing the soldering as the others. Make sure that your tip is wiped off and clean. And keep a high angle, and you're just going to go in here and solder all of the legs. If they move around a little bit, that's okay. You should be able to bend them a little bit and straighten them out on the other side when you're done, which we'll take a look at here in a minute. Alright, and don't forget to trim them off right at the top of the solder connection. Alright, and then there's all the solder connections, and if your LEDs aren't really straight, you can, one, tip them so that they're all pointed upwards nicely. And if you do need to do a little shifting of them due to the solder on the back side, I'll show you how you can fix that. So we want to have those all adjusted so they're at least straight. This one here I can see is a little higher than the others, so that's the third one down. I'm just going to solder a little while I put a little light pressure and just kind of see if I can gently push it down just a little bit. And it looks like I succeeded, so that looks pretty good. So though they may be a little different, it's not going to really matter. Main thing is just to make sure that when you're looking at it straight on, that these all appear to be in line with one another. So I could probably adjust this fourth one down here over a little bit. I'll do that. You can see it could probably be rocked a little bit towards this direction over here. So I'm just going to kind of hold it a little bit and push just a touch while I heat it up. I'll heat it up and then push it. There we go. And you can see now I made that one a little bit straighter. So if you need to do that, there's flexibility, but it doesn't need to be perfect.